Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about PhD notification or APM program notification at Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. Yes, guys, already you are watching the basic information of IIM Ahmedabad. All of you know that IIM Ahmedabad is one of the best management institute in the world, and it is the best in India and one of the best in Asia. Okay, so guys, if you are passionate about management, if you are passionate in economics, psychology, human behavior, and like social issues, public policy, and finance, accounting, if you are passionate about computing, okay, so please watch this video till the end. Please watch this video till the end, because in this video I am uh, going to share you very important information about IIM Ahmedabad PhD information. Okay, so guys, please share this video with your friends, because this information for humanities and social science candidate is new. I know that uh, the information about humanities and social science in YouTube, in social network, very less, and many social science students don't know about GATE exam, because in 2021 it was first introduced by IIT Bombay, and all of you know that IIT Bombay uh, is my previous institute. Okay, so I think in this video you will get very good information. Uh, and I was an ex-student of IIT Bombay, and in 2021 this institute, IIT Bombay, first introduced the GATE exam for humanities and social science students. Suppose if you have GATE score of 2021, those who are from psychology, sociology, those who are from economics, okay, and finance background, commerce background, so please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. This is the PhD program brochure, and I will tell you all the related information. These are the major specialization where you can apply. These are the major specialization where you can apply: agriculture, economics. Okay, so the students who are from economics domain, they can apply in this department, and then finance and accounting, commerce background, the students who are from commerce background, they can also apply, in this department. Humanities and human resource management, okay, so the students who are from sociology and psychology domain, they can apply in this department. Okay, and the students who are from others domain related to humanities and social science, these are the two area where you can apply: marketing and management. Marketing and management, I think this information will help you a lot. These are the very basic domain where the students who are from social science domain, they can apply. Okay, and the most important thing I want to share with you: every year IIM Ahmedabad, actually this institute, specifically I am talking about this institute, I am Ahmedabad. This institute actually is taking a lot of number of students. Okay, so you can see this: a total number of 408 doctoral students have graduated from IIM Ahmedabad so far. So it's huge, and they are the leaders of the world. Okay, they are ruling their domains. Okay, they are the rulers of their domain. So please try to achieve this try to grab this opportunity, try to do very well. Okay, so if you have GATE score, if you have UGC net score, you can apply. Definitely you can apply. And you can see this, the students who are from the entry qualification, basic eligibility. This institute is very unique, very unique. Suppose you are from masters domain, masters, you have masters background, suppose you have postgraduate diploma. Okay, so it means that you can complete your PhD within 3 years. You can complete. And suppose you are from BTech background with BTech background, BTech background 4 year degree with 6.5 CGPA or equivalent, so you will complete your PhD minimum, जो टाइम ड्यूरेशन होता है ना वो 4 years का होता है. बट अगर अगर if you have master's degree in any science domain, science domain or engineering domain, suppose you have MTech degree, so if you pursue your PhD, so within 3 years, if you are capable of doing your program, PhD program within 3 years, so you can get your degree. So one of the very important information for you. Okay, suppose if you want to complete your PhD within 3.5 years, so you are eligible, you can go for it. That's the simple. And now I will tell you important dates. Okay, so important dates. Link open for online application. So it has been started. Okay, 13th September. Okay, and last date of submitting online application 17th January. So you have very good enough time. Okay, till now you have very good enough time. Okay, so you have good enough time to apply. This is December 13, and you have many days to apply, but try to apply early, so you will get many good idea for your preparation. Explore two specific area, specific domain. Okay, you can apply 2 areas, high levels of specialization, you can apply maximum. Okay, it means during your application you can apply. And look, application fees 500, it's very nominal. Okay, you can bear that money, I know that. And look, fellowship and expenses, it's very good. Look, first lab for first and second years you will get 37,000. Oh my god, 37, it means near about 3800, 38,000, sorry, 38,000. Okay, and after successful completion your comprehensive examination you will get 40,000, 40,000. And then after you're submitting TAC approved thesis proposal, so you will get 45,000. So it's very good amount. And look, every year you will get contingency grant 25,000 per year. Okay, so it means 2.5 thousand 2,500 rupees you can add here. It means 48 near about like 35 41,000. And student can get amount 1,75,000 rupees for to attending international conferences. Okay, so it's been huge money you will get. So these are the basic information. And now the most important information, that is, look, economics. If you have gate score, if you have gate score or UGC net, so you can go for it. I'm marking this gate score. Look, suppose you have gate, you have qualified gate economics, so you can apply in this domain for PhD program. And for finance accounting, this is not yet updated. And suppose you are from human resource management, look, gate score is valid for your application. So it means huge. Suppose you are from engineering domain, so you can apply in IS system, it means information system. And these are the area where you can apply. Okay, so look, this, if you have UGC net, so you can apply. So these are the area where you can apply with the help of your gate score. Okay, with the help of your gate score. If you have cat score, that is very very good. Okay, that is very very good. So it's one of the most important information that I am sharing with you. I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, so that's all from my side for PhD at notification or APM program notification for IID, IIM Ahmedabad, Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad. So I think this information will help you a lot. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's all from my side today for this video. So all the best. Jai Hind.